Okay, now move on to the first question. An electric current of 150 milliampere is flowing through a circuit for about 2 minutes. What is the amount of charge that is flowing through this circuit? That's the first question. Simple and easy one. We will try it, okay? How we can do, just look how we can solve a problem. നമുക്കൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൽ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ എടുത്ത് വെച്ചിങ്ങനെ നോക്കണം. ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനം അത് തന്നെയാണ്. പ്രോബ്ലം കിട്ടിക്കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് we should write solution. See that question again. An electric current of 150 milliampere. Ampere. We know ampere is the unit of current. Current is denoted by the letter I. So we should write current I is equal to 150 milliampere. But the problem is, നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള കറണ്ടിന്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ആംപിയർ മാത്രമാണ്. ഹിയർ മില്ലിയും കൂടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ വി ഹാവ് ടു കൺവേർട്ട് മില്ലി ആംപിയർ ടു ആംപിയർ. മില്ലി ആംപിയറിനെ എങ്ങനെ ആംപിയറിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയെടുക്കാം? ജസ്റ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ഇറ്റ് ബൈ 10 raised to minus 3. So we will get 150 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. This is the first sentence. Question again. An electric current of 150 milliampere is flowing through a circuit for 2 minutes. Minutes is the unit of time. So next it is given time. Time t is equal to 2 minutes. Again, minutes. Minutes is not our unit. Our unit is seconds. So we need to convert minutes to seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 seconds. It's equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 seconds. We have got the current and also the time. We need to find out the amount of charge flowing through this conductor, that is charge is denoted by the letter Q. We need to find out Q. Just look, in this section, that is in electric current section, by connecting these three terms we have studied only one equation, that is I equals to Q by T, isn't it? We have studied just one equation, I is equal to Q by T. From this equation we have to find out Q. For that we just cross multiply it and we get Q is equal to I into T. I just write value of I over here. What is the value of I? 150 into 10 raised to minus 3. Into, what is the value of T? 120. So by multiplying these three terms we will get the answer as 18. If I write 18, I have lost that half mark or 1 by 4 marks. I have to write the unit also. What is the unit of Q? Unit of Q is Coulomb. So this is the answer. Do you understand how we are solving a problem? This question the mark division എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. നമുക്കൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒരു വാല്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ബോർഡ് പേപ്പർ വാല്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 2 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ വാല്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വായിച്ച് അതിനകത്ത് നിന്ന് by understanding the value of current and you convert this current into our SI unit, if you write this line you will get half mark. Same way, if you write this line 120 seconds, you will get another half mark. And then for doing all this, for writing this equation I is equal to Q by T, you will get half mark. Then the last session, by doing all these calculation, you will get half mark. So we will move on to the second problem. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Just one line, only one line is the question. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Just look. we are going to solve this problem. For that, first you should write solution. Then what all things is given in this question? We have to find out the number of electrons. Number of electrons. It is given that 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. So it is given charge first. Charge is denoted by the letter Q. Q is equal to 1 coulomb. Then they are asking us to find out what is the number of electrons. Number of electrons, N, question mark. Here, for doing this solution, we need one more term, that is charge on one electron. So it is not given in the question. You have to identify that it is not given, but we need that, and you just write the value of one electron. You have to by heart the value of charge on one electron. What is the charge on one electron? Is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So again, by connecting these three terms, we have only one equation, that is quantization of a charge, that is Q is equal to NE. From this we need to find out N is equal to Q by E. What is Q? The value of Q is 1 by, what is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Here charge also 1 coulomb, here charge also coulomb. So these two getting cancelled. And then by calculating this 10 raised to minus 19, it is in the denominator. When it is moved to the numerator, minus symbol is gone. That is 10 raised to 19 into 1 by 1.6. By calculating this, we will get the answer as 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. It doesn't have the unit. Look, N, we don't need any unit. N is a number, so it does not have any unit. We will get the answer as 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. And I told you earlier, while doing the problems, we need to define one unit. Here, that is what we are going to do. Charge is 1 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. So from this question, we have to define what is 1 coulomb. Look at here, 1 coulomb. You can simply, by doing this problem, we just find out that 1 coulomb is the charge that containing in how many electrons? 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. So simple, 1 coulomb. So we can define 1 coulomb, that is a unit of charge. 1 coulomb is the charge contained in 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Sometimes questions will not ask directly, that is what is 1 ampere or define 1 ampere. It will not ask like that. The question will be like define the unit of current or define the unit of charge. For answering that question, you just need to know what is the unit of current, what is the unit of charge. It is the indirect way, isn't it? Not asking the question directly. So my dears, one more question is remaining in this session. That's also important problem. By connecting all the two equations, that is Q is equal to NE and I is equal to Q by T. That is a third question. Okay, just look at the question. A total of 6 into 10 raised to 46 electrons are flows through a current carrying conductor when connecting through an external power supply for 20 seconds. Find the value of current flows through it. It is given that a total of 6 into 10 raised to 46 electrons. What it is given? It is given the number of electrons. N is given. We are also starting the equation solution. We are writing N is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 46. Then what is given again? Next, the quantity is given as 20 seconds. Second is a unit of time. So time T is given. T is equal to 20 seconds. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the value of current flows through the conductor, isn't it? That is I we need to find out. So in this section we have studied equation for I. I is equal to Q by T. But Q is not given in this question, isn't it? So how can you do that? But we know Q have another equation. Q is equal to Ne. The value of N is given, and the value of N is 6 into 10 raised to 46 into the value of E. What is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. What we will get? 10 raised to 46 and 10 raised to minus 19. By calculating this one, a raised to m plus a raised to n, what will get? 6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to 27. Multiply this two. 1.6 into 6. We will get the answer as 9.6 into 10 raised to 27 coulomb. So we get the value of Q. This value of Q should be substituted in this equation. That is, I is equal to, the value of Q is 9.6 into 10 raised to 27 divided by value of T is 20. By doing this one, 9.6 into 10 raised to 27 by 20, we will get 0.48 into 10 raised to 27. This can be written as 4.8 into 10 raised to 26. I, current, the unit of current is ampere. That's all about this session. We have completed the first topic, electric current.